Hello, welcome you all. So today I am going to discuss you how to build a online MCQ test. And for the online MCQ test particularly, we have different applications are there. So one of the most widely used application is Google Form. It is an application of what Google. For that you require the Gmail ID. So on that we can build a test, build a form. So this is actual open form. This is a home page of a Google form, and today I am going to explain you how to make a form. So first go to the Google and type Google form. After searching this Google form, you will see the many options. First you can click to the Google form free online survey, or you can also click to the Google form create. Then you will see this page that is called Google. Go to Google form, click onto the go to Google form. So you will see the home page of your Google form. So it is untitled form, okay? And first give the title. So that is, for example, online MCQ test on dash topic, okay? And in free description you can also make the description of this one. So that is, this test is based on how much question, how much marks, okay? Or you can also write the name of in charge, okay, name of the college, so whatever it may be, okay? So you can add some description in that. So first give the title, that is online MCQ test on this topic by the in charge. For example, this is Professor Zamir Sheikh. So you can mention the name of, okay, you can also mention the college name, or you can also mention the institution name, okay, and also some instructions. So this is the first important instruction particularly for that. Now go to the setting. If you want to make a test now, so we have some options. First of all, in general we have to collect email address. In presentation we can also shuffle the question, okay, and confirmation message. Either confirmation messages, either you can make you can type the thank you, your response is recorded, or congratulations, etc., whatever it may be, okay? So this is the message which can be appeared at the submission of the test. And most importantly, quiz. We have to make a quiz. You can also give the marks immediately, okay, and correct options are there, and you can save it, okay? And back to your home page. So after looking at this form now, so first one your title, then after that email address, and after that you can make a questions like name of the student, or full name of the students, okay, or whatever you required, okay? So just write the name, full name, then you can require it. So what is that required now? Required means the question is mandatory, the part is a mandatory. Now similarly you can copy these questions and just edit it. So write down the class now, then again you required, okay? So required it because it is again mandatory. Then we can also have the another options like mobile number, okay, college name, institution name, etc., okay, section, whatever it may be. So whatever you want you can add it, okay, or just copy that block and just edit it, okay? And don't forget to for the required, because required is mandatory for that, okay? So this is a college name, and or one can also call the institution name, okay? So likewise you can do all these things, okay? This is your first page, that is your introductory part, or the contact information. One can see the contact information. Now for MCQ you can just make a title. So that is a section. There is a 2-line arrow is there, so you can click on that. You will get the what your next section, and in that next section we can add your MCQs. That is, you can also title it, that is here MCQ is there, topic name, and secondly the question marks, okay? Each question mark carry the 2 marks, and etc., etc., okay? So for example, write the question. So you can add any kind of what question. You can add multiple choice question, you can have short answer question, you can have paragraph questions, you can checkbox question, okay? So fill in the blank questions, many kind, okay? So I just write here the simple question. So that is an how many isotopes are exist for carbon. So you can add the options. So if your question is multiple choice question, then option 1 should be 1, then maybe 1 2 3 4, etc., etc., okay? This one. Now after making this question and its option, we have to click on that your right symbol, that is, and what, your answer key. So for answer key you should give the point and you also give the correct option. Okay, click on to the correct option and done it. So this question is saved and required it. Okay, so in this way you can make a questions, you can make different kinds of the question, and also you can change your the theme of the theme of your pattern. You can also change the font with the help of this arrow. Okay, that's that circular arrow, four dot symbol. You can click on that. Okay, and lastly, how it can be sent now, how this form will be sent. Okay, so click on to this arrow, particularly here that arrow is given. Okay, and you can also check the responses, how many responses you are obtained. You can download these responses in the form of PDF, in the form of Word file, in the form of Excel file, and click on this 3 dot arrow. So you can also make a copy, and in the setting also what, so there is add-on is there, the many options are there. Okay, you can add anything. Okay, this is an add-on. You can also add the certificate. Okay, like that. So now click onto the setting now. So we have to get a link from that. So this one you can get the shorter link and copy it. So when you copy the link, you can share with your circle. Okay, on social media, on what your class group, okay, on WhatsApp, etc, etc. So this is the best way to create the test via this one. So there are another modes are there, Microsoft Form and test modes are another best application, but in that, so for marking or for grading, so Google Form is best one. So thank you for watching this.